Ayo, taking the dog to the store. What's up, guys? Boy Tech. Little ride and talk. Today, gotta go get some parts. This is oil filter that I screwed up and let sit out of the box like a dumbass, and now it's rusted. So gotta go grab an oil filter, a quart of oil, because the 8.6 takes 5.4 quarts of oil and I only have 5 quarts of synthetic Mobil 1. Oh, and so we're gonna do a little ride and talk to the store. Then when I get back, I'm gonna do a time lapse changing the oil. When we get under there, I'm gonna show you guys my Fumoto oil release, whatever the hell it's called, the oil cap thing. It's pretty cool. And always gotta love the wrenching on the car, so that'll be good to get it jacked up, get under there. Might do a little cleaning on the underside. But just here hanging out with Bane, my pit bull. He loves ride to the store. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep this thing vlogging throughout the day. Get this oil changed. Hope y'all are having a good day. Hey, hell yeah. This one's black too. It's gonna look better under that hood than the white one. Yeah. Yeah, we did good, Bane. Head it home, baby.
If you're in the game, then the stroke's the word. Don't take no rhythm, don't take no style. Got a thirst for killing, grab your fire, yeah. Woo! Put your right hand out, give a firm handshake. Talk to me about that one big break. Spread the ear pollution both far and wide. Keep your contributions by your side. Yeah, strong man, strong man. Could be a winner, boy, and move quite well. Strong man, strong man. Strong man, you got your number down. Strong man, say you're a winner, man, you just a sinner now. Put your left foot out, keep it all in place. Work your way right into my face. First you try to bend me, you make my backbone slide. But when you find you bled me, skip on by, keep on. Give me the business all night long. can't stop, you just can't stop me. Can't stop me. Can't stop me. Can't stop me. Do it. Stop me. Stop me.
What's up, guys? It's boy Tech. Got the oil changed. You'll notice the new filter is black. That's much better. Oops. Get out of there. The old one was an eyesore. Bit of an eyesore. But anyway, old oil. Not looking too great. But got her swapped out, so let's see if we can start her up. Make sure she don't spit nothing out. Thank you, guys.